evening friends. I am Dr. Sushant Soni, Pathology faculty on Unacademy, and I am doing this short video to tell you about the batches that we have on Unacademy. We are the only platform which has 5 different targeted batches for our different exams. That is the NEET PG 2022, the exam that is right around the corner, and so is the FMG 4th June exam. These two are right around the corner, along with the INI batch. Next is the FMG December batch and the NEET of the next 2023 batch. Now, out of these, I know in the mind of the student, slight confusion arises that after taking the subscription, which subjects or which batches to enroll into. Dekho, the first two, that is the NEET PG 2022 as well as the 4 June FMG exam. But there are 3 separate courses: the full course, the crash course. In the crash course, anti-grade study is done, the crash course and the MCQ based revision, versus the FMG December batch along with the NEET Next 2023 and the INI batch, which has full course and the MCQ based revision. So let's see how to enroll in these batches. Let's play the game better than others. Now after taking subscription, you have to go to the Unacademy app. When we go to the Unacademy app, after that go to browse. On extreme left hand side, we go to browse, we click on browse. In browse I will be able to see, this is the page that opens up when I go to browse. Now I am able to see the presence of batches for syllabus completion. Let me have a look at all the batches. Let me have a look at all the NEET PG batches for syllabus completion. We have the doubt clarification batch, the batch that this is one of the most unique batches in which all the doubts with respect to NEET PG and FMG segment, all 19 subjects will be catered to. The high yield theory revision batch, that is the crash course theory based revision. The focus FMG high yield revision as well as the MCQ batch. So let me just click on anyone, as is the focus FMG batch, the NEET PG high yield revision batch, and the comprehensive batch, the focus FMG 2022 comprehensive batch. So choose the batch, the paper of which you are giving. I have already told you these are the batches. In these batches, these are the courses which are available: the full course, the crash course and MCQ based revision for these two, versus the full course for the December and NEET Next 2023 MCQ based revision for INI batch. So bache, choose the batch that you are giving the paper of. Click on that particular batch. The minute I click on this, I will have the enroll button in front of me. When I click, just a second, my net is slightly slow today, I guess. When I click on this, I have the enroll button. Just by clicking on enroll, you need not click on all the individual subjects. Just by clicking on enroll, all the classes in the comprehensive batch will be added to your planner, and you can then see it from your planner. It happens that you enroll in 2 different batches together. As a result, there can be an overlap of class. Like suppose I have enrolled myself in the NEET PG as well as the focus FMG high yield MCQ revision batch. There can be an overlap of class under that circumstance, but do not worry about that. Take the class, the paper of which you are targeting. How to go on planner? That is the first slide, on extreme left, the first is the planner, and we will be able to see all the classes that are scheduled on planner. Like we can see the surgery classes which have been scheduled in that particular batch in the planner. So this is how you can enroll in a batch and never miss on any particular class or subject that you aspire to do. Take care and bestest of luck. Thank you.